Because I'm a legal intern in Lexington company, would be talking about the Lokpal and Lokayukt Act of 2013. So it is a legislation in India that aims to establish institution called Lokpal at the central level and Lokayukt at the state level to address grievances related to corruption. So here I will summarize the same. This act was enacted to provide for the establishment of Lokpal at central level and Lokayukt at state level to inquire into the allegations of corruption against public servants. The Lokpal is an independent ombudsman institution at the central level which is responsible for investigating the corruption allegation against the public officials including the Prime Minister, members of parliament, ministers and officials of central government entities. Lokayukts are similar institution at the state level dealing with the corruption complaints against public officials in respective states. The Lokpal consists of a chairperson and up to 8 members appointed by the President of India based on the recommendations of a selection committee. Lokayukts are appointed by respective state governments following a similar selection process. They both have the power to initiate investigations, conduct inquiries and recommend actions including the prosecution and disciplinary proceedings against public servants found guilty of corruption. The Act provides for a two-tier grievance redressal mechanism involving the Lokpal and Lokayukt Act at the first stage and the appellate bodies at the second stage. Now, the Act requires public servants, including the elected representatives and the government employees, to file annual declaration of their assets and liabilities. The Act also provides the protection for whistleblowers who report corruption or misuse of their power. The Lokpal and Lokayukt Act 2013 has been amended in subsequent years to address various issues and make improvements to the function of the institution. So here viewers, I'll wind up this video, and if anyone has any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section, for which I'll try to reach the same in no time. Thank you and welcome.